Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to check your HostGator email quickly and efficiently. Whether you're new to HostGator or just looking to simplify your email management, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to HostGator.com. On the homepage, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner, then enter your account credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on your HostGator dashboard. From here, click on the Websites tab to continue. Inside the Websites section, locate the Settings option and click on it. This page gives you more detailed options for your hosting and email configurations. Next, click on the Advanced option. This will bring you to the Advanced Settings panel, where you'll find tools like cPanel Access. Within the Advanced Settings, click on the option labeled cPanel. This is where you'll manage all your email accounts linked to your domain. Inside cPanel, look for the section labeled Email Accounts. Click Manage to see an overview of all email addresses connected to your hosting. Now, find the Check Email button next to the account you want to open. Clicking this will take you directly into your inbox where you can view and reply to messages. To organize things further, click on Manage Your Inbox. Here you can set up filters, organize folders, and make sure your messages are sorted the way you like. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check and manage your HostGator email.